The EFOY Cloud gives you access to your EFOY fuel cells from anywhere. You can easily monitor continuous operation via laptop, tablet, or smartphone. All you need for this is an internet connection to your fuel cells. Create your personal account with just a few clicks. Then add a fuel cell by typing in the serial number. You will then be asked for a password. This is generated on the operating panel of your EFOY or on the EFOY app. After entering the password, give the device a name. In the overview, you can see the status of all devices at a glance. In which operating state is the fuel cell? What is the remaining total fuel level? You can also check the voltage of the connected battery. For EFOY lithium batteries, the state of charge is displayed as a percentage. Is an action required? Then you can see it directly from the traffic light colors. Clicking on a fuel cell will take you to the detailed view. The information there is sorted by fuel cell, battery, and fuel cartridges. Whenever you see a pen, you can edit something. For example, the operating mode. You can also adjust battery settings. For example, set the switch on and switch off parameters. Have a look at your fuel cartridges. For each port, you can change the cartridge type, the fuel level, or disable it. Errors and warnings are displayed in red. Clicking on it will immediately take you to the service tool and give you information on how to fix the error. In addition, you can display the history for all data and export them in an Excel sheet. Zoom in the chart and get your data minute by minute. Would you like to be notified immediately in certain cases? Adjust your personal alerts. You can also add multiple email addresses here. Do you need support? Contact us directly and send us your questions. We are continuously improving the EFOY Cloud. Get started now with the EFOY Cloud, your remote monitoring system.